What's going on, guys? Seymour Triple 77 here. I'm at Milton Keynes Central. There was 377, 208 and 206 going to Clapham Junction.
The next train, platform 4, does not stop here.
Over there we have a class 350, that's to Crewe. And about to pass through platform number 3, we have a Virgin Trains West Coast class 390. Well, this is going to be good. Lovely. So you're going to see services from London Midland, who manage the station, and Southern, as you just saw, and Virgin Trains. Departing platform number 6 is a Crewe service operated by London Midland. This is the stopping service from Rugby, and it is 350 376. Coming into platform number 1, we have a London Midland train service through to London Euston. It's 350 257. This train stops all stations to Hemel Hempstead except Shennington, then Watford Junction and London Euston. Coming through platform number 2 is another London Midland of class 350. Don't think it'll come all the way down here though. Going through platform number 2, London Midland service class 350 370. Terminating from London Euston. 350 370 now departing platform number 2. Coming into platform number 5, a London Midland service through to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. $350 121. $350 121 now departing platform 5. And we have a Virgin Trains West Coast class 390 about to pass through. I wouldn't be able to get the number on that. I don't have a good eye, so Going into platform number 2, we have a 350 and a friend about to detach to 350 370. This is 350 265. easy. And that Virgin train came through unannounced. Virgin trains class 390, Pendanida, about to pass through platform number 4. Another Virgin trains class 390. Coming into platform number 5 is the very late 15:15 London Midland service to London Euston only, class 350 103. This train's only, what, 25 minutes late? It's due to signalling problems between Northampton and Birmingham. Coming into platform number 6, we have a Virgin West Coast train service through to Chester, calling at Crewe and Chester. This is a class 221 Voyager service. As we have another 390 passing through platform 4. That is, I'll get the number when she departs. Oh no. 221142. 350 103, now departing platform number 5. Two 142 Virgin trains is now departing platform number 6 for Chester, calling at Crewe and Chester only.
Stand well back on platform 4. The next train, platform 4, does not stop here. Stand behind the yellow line. Platform 3 from the 1549 London Midland service to Northampton. For the Wolverton and Northampton, this train has 4 carriages.
London Midland train shortly arriving on platform number 3 as you heard the announcement. This is another 350. 350 238. To Wolverton and Northampton. And about to pass through platform number 4 is a slow Pendanida service, Virgin trains class 390. I might be able to get the number of this one. Going slow due to that London Midland late train. $390 122.
only. This train has 11 carriages. Please be aware that tickets marked London Midland trains only are not valid on this train.
350, 265 and the front service. Now departing for London Euston for a stopping service.
Train service to London Euston. For this London Euston only. This train has 11 carriages.
Coming in into class 390 Virgin West Coast service through to London Euston only, the 1547. Class 390 131. .350 238 departing platform number 3 for Wolverhampton, no, for Warrington and Northampton only. Wolverhampton's miles away. Virgin trains now departing for London Euston only. 390 131, and we have a Manchester Piccadilly service departing, about to depart platform number 6. This train calls at Stoke-on-Trent, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. .390 001. There's the train going to Birmingham New Street. That train stopped at Watford Junction.
This train has 4 carriages.
And coming into platform number 3, the Birmingham New Street London and Midland service by Northampton, 350 115. Virgin Trains London Euston service now arriving on platform number 4 as 350 115 now departing platform 4. This is 390 045. There's a train about to pass through platform number 6 which I won't see.
services between Northampton and Birmingham New Street are being disrupted. Short notice delays and cancellations are expected. I'm afraid I can't tell you how long the problem will last, however we're working as quickly as possible to rectify the problem and restore services to normal. I'm sorry for the delays and for your journey.
There we go. 390.045 now about to depart Milton Keynes Central for London Euston only. God, that train looks good, doesn't she?
Ladies and gentlemen, when travelling by train, make sure all bags are comfortable with you at all times. Please purchase your ticket to travel at the earliest opportunity to help minimise any disruption on the your journey. Items that unattended may be removed and
And coming into platform number 2 is 377-007-706 for Southern Trains.
Please note for your own safety that trains may pass through the station at speed. Please stand back from the platform.
London Midland service through to London Euston, now arriving on platform number 1. Class is a class 350 once again, and it's 350-128. This train calls at Watford Junction and London Euston only. Coming into platform number 5, we have a Virgin West Coast service formed of a Voyager class 221. There's 2 of them on this one. Front is 221-115. And the rear is 110. Class 86s there. Coming into platform number 6, we have a class 390 going to Glasgow Central. But first of all, we'll see another 390 about to pass through platform number 4. So 390-123 going to Glasgow Central via Birmingham New Street. That's a nice two-tone there. 390-005. Southern train, class 377-706. Now departing platform number 2 is going to East Croydon. Train now departing platform number 6 is class 390-123 for Virgin Trains. For Virgin Trains West Coast service through to Glasgow Central via Birmingham New Street, calling at Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Sandwell Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, and then on to Glasgow. Coming into platform number 4, London Midland service to London Euston. Calling London Euston only. This is the service from Crewe. 350 118. This one's on time. Almost.
Short notice delays and cancellations are expected.
Crewe train now departing platform number 6 for London Midland. This one is via Rugby, Nuneaton, Rugeley and Stoke-on-Trent. It's class 350 130. Going into platform number 1 is a London Euston service for London Midland. £350 109 and a friend, and a class 390 for Virgin West Coast is about to pass through platform 4 very slowly. £390 155, and the real of that train is 350 27. And 350 113 on platform number 2. London Midland to London Euston stopping service now departing platform number 1, and the rear of this service is 350 245. £350 113 is moving up to the platform edge. As the London Midland service through to Birmingham New Street via Northampton is now arriving on platform number 5. Once again, it's another 350. 350 120. £350 120 now departing platform 5 for Birmingham New Street via Northampton. For London Midland. And if I'm right, there should be an express Virgin train passing through platform 6 shortly. There we go, got 2 express Virgin trains for the price of 1. And a nice tone there from the driver. Let's keep it rolling for another express passing platform 4 for Virgin trains class 390. Or as they like to call it in this country, a fast train. $390,024, I believe that one. Just caught my eye, that one. So 390 about to pass through platform number 4. $390,016. Another 390 passing platform 6. That's some speed right there. 125 that one should have been going.
May I have your attention, please?
Got London Midland class 350 104 about to attach to this train right here, 350 113. There we go. Virgin train service going to the north of Wales via Colchester. No, not Colchester. Chester, I should say. It's a class 221 Super Voyager for Virgin Trains West Coast. Two to 108. Super Voyager 221 108 for Virgin Trains, now departing platform number 6 here at Milton Keynes Central. Coming into platform number 4 with the Virgin Trains class 390 through to London Euston. This will be my train to London Euston. I'd like to thank you for watching my video here at Milton Keynes Central. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page, and I'll see you soon with more UK train videos. Bye for now. So this is 390 130.